You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, try to be, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. So that's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out, but if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period, but what's important is to go through. It's a tough period that actually make you a better human being.
Well, I would like to keep it very simple. I play cricket and all my devotion is towards cricket, and I know one thing, whatever is around me is because of cricket and not because of anything else. The kind of person I am, throughout my life I've never tried to change myself. I've always kept it simple, be honest, devote yourself to something and then be focused on that. So I think it's the ethics and the principles that really matter in life, and I've kept it really simple, so that has really helped me.
Education is very important, but sport does teach you a lot about life. And school is, I feel, the right spot where you need to push the youngsters to play a lot of sport, and especially physical sport, outdoor sport. Indoor also qualifies, where badminton is there, squash is there, table tennis is there. But that's a time where they have that kind of a time where they can spend enough time on both. Nobody really knows. Like when I was in class 6th or 7th, I had no clue whether I'll become a cricketer, a footballer, athletics man, or I'll play badminton. So till I've not tried those sport at school level, how will I get to know what I'm good at? I feel sport is a major part of life, and it teaches you a lot of things, that will to win, the acceptance to losses, how to come back after having a bad loss. So, mentally and physically, sports builds a lot of character, when it comes to the students at an early age, and that actually helps you in your practical life a lot. So I just feel sports should be a big part of the student's life, and everybody should be pushed to play some kind of a sport, even if he doesn't want to. Are you married? Do you have a son or a daughter? Are you pushing them to play a sport? Those are the things we need to care about. What is in my control? We always find an excuse, ye nahi hua, wo nahi hua, and when you're looking for excuses, you don't look at the strengths. So I feel if we start sending our sons and daughters to play sport, the more the number of people play, better it is for us.